Hello, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, we will learn AutoCAD 3D mechanical drawing. We will draw figure number 39 right side of your screen. So let's start video. First, we have to give limit to this drawing. Within this boundary, we have to draw this figure. So type limit, enter. Set lower limit 0, 0, upper limit 100, 100. In order to apply limit command, type Z, enter, E, enter, zoom, extend. Now go to view and select front view. As this drawing will be drawn from front side view, it will be more easy to draw this figure from front side. So take front view and first make it 3D modeling. Interface is changed from 2D to 3D modeling. Now go to line command and click anywhere from on the screen. Make ortho on. Take it right side at a distance of 25 unit and again 70 unit and then 30 unit, and now again go to line command, click here, take it off 15 unit distance and just denote this point, take it off, click here and close here. Okay, now again go to line command and denote this point, drag it right side for 25 unit and take it off another 25 unit. Now take circle command, click here, radius of 25 unit and again circle command and radius of 10 unit. Okay, now take line command, click here, close, click here, close. Okay, now fillet command, click here, click here, select the line and erase it. Okay, now the front view is ready and select whole object and join it. Okay, now we will take faceful command to convert it 3D. So type click faceful and click here, take it back distance of 20 unit, click here, take it back 15 unit and this portion also 15 unit, click here, take it back at a distance of 60 unit. Okay, now go to view, show this isometric view and change visualize style, shade of gray. Here it is, the profile is ready. Now click the object, select this object and just copy it, select base point, click here and here this portion is on outside, so move it, click here and at a distance of 5 unit, here it is. Now we have to create a circular portion on this surface. In order to do this, go to copy edge command, select this edge, click, take it off and at a distance of 30 unit, enter. Now go to circle command and click here, take a circle of radius 30 unit, here it is, and take placeful command, click here, remove this portion. Again go to circle command, click center point, take a radius of 25 unit, and again 12 unit. Click this line and just erase it. Now go to placeful command and make a hole, and take again placeful command, take it up distance of 5 unit. Select this circle, select this line and just erase it. Sorry, hold the object is deleted. So one step back, click this circle only. Select this line and erase it. Okay, now go to southeast isometric view. Here it is, the object is almost ready, but there is some curved portion. So in order to do this curved portion, first union it. So click here, solid surface, select all the surface and enter. So all the object is union. Now go to fillet command, click this edge, enter, give a fillet radius. I will take it 5 unit. Here it is, the curve portion is created. Again fillet command, click here, enter, enter. Here is also curve portion is created. So again go to southeast isometric view and select all the object, just move it, select all the line and erase it. Here it is, the drawing is ready, and we will go it from hidden view. If you want to look it, if you want to color it, then select this whole body, click here, select any color as you like. Here it is, the drawing is ready. That's how I have created this drawing, and you may also practice this. A link has been given in the link box, you may download it and practice it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will be back with another video. Be healthy, be safe. Thank you.